Welcome to the 8th episode of the Simple 3D Modeling series in Siemens NX. As per usual, we're going to start with naming our model. It's going to be model 8. And we can start our sketch. We choose our plane, as per usual. Really simple model this time. Back to the basics. A little square, or rectangle rather. We got 120 at the bottom. We got 110 here, millimeters. Now we got 4 circles. Now we select all of them, make them equal, and they have diameter of 20. As far as how far apart they are vertically and horizontally, we have 50 here. We got 80 here. Oops. Now this one's 30 here. 30. And we have 40 here, so the circle itself is 20 in diameter, so it's going to be 30 as well. Minus 10, so 20. And that's it, pretty much. We're set, sketch is fully defined. We can extrude it. We see it's 40. And we got little edge blends going on. Each one is 20 on every corner, so we add that quickly. 1, 2, 3 into the fall. Apply. And we're done. The model is finished.